Hi, welcome to your first video for your last course. OL 695, this is your capstone in research. So what I want to do is just go over a few things, and I'm going to try to post one of these every week. The intention is to just keep you up to date on what's going on, but also to hopefully give you some insights into what you should be doing. I know this can feel daunting. You worked on this project last time. You may or may not have made all the room that you need to in order to get through the next 15 weeks. So for some of you, you might be, increasing some of your work a little bit. For others, it just might be the 6 hours a week that we hope that you will do. Having two courses means that you have to focus your attention at least on one and then put a little bit of attention on the other. To that end, I want you to work on Lisa's class or Tanya's class and to make sure that you put the efforts in there. Then this should just be a little bit of work. What do you need to do first? You should set up an appointment with me. I should know what your topic is. I should understand it. I should start talking with you about it in depth. And then I should be starting to help you to find some more articles. I have a wonderful resource. Because I got my doctorate online, I have access to an incredible database, and I will put that to your advantage. If the more I know, the more I can start to look and suggest some things. In terms of what do you need or where should you be, that's a real big question at the beginning of this course. What you should be doing and what you're going to need. First things first, this is not a group course. You have moments where you speak to each other, but in essence, you do everything on your own. You do it on your own and you do it with me. What I want you to do is to get online and go to the discussion board. And you need to do this by Sunday night, January 17th. So you need to go on and you need to do what you typically would do in a discussion board. Put down your feelings and then talk to a couple other people. It doesn't have to be research, just put something on that's evidence that, first of all, you were there for attendance purposes, but secondly, that you have started to really put together your topic. You are going to, if you have gotten through part of your lit review or even just scratched the surface, you're on your way. So you should have your format as I gave you for the outline last term, from the cover page to the table of contents, the abstract, the dedication, the introduction, and the lit review. You should have something in those pieces. If you don't worry. But that means you might be one of the people who has to do more work initially to catch up and to stay on top of things. Again, OL 525, Lisa and Tanya's course, definitely is your primary resource for right now. But I do need you to send me a copy of your most recent research, and I need you to set up an appointment with me. Some people have set up weekly appointments. Other people don't want to get together that often. Figure out what works best for you. But here's the thing, you cannot wait until you're almost finished with Lisa's class or Tanya's class to get started with me. You have to start small pieces. We'll build on the puzzle pieces, and by the time it comes to week 7, and you're finishing their class, you're going to be starting your survey. You might even have your survey done. So let's work together on this. You have all my contact information, and I will do my best to get your first appointment on my calendar and then subsequent. If you need anything, please feel free to reach out. I am sending this video to both H1, which is the research class, which is hybrid, and online, which is, of course, the online class. Recognizing, of course, that because we are in a pandemic and because this is an individual course, we will be meeting online. During the course of the term, I will suggest a couple of times when I'll have an open virtual Zoom session, and the purpose of that will be to enable everybody to come together and to start to present some of their work so that others who may not be as far along as you can benefit from it. Or if you're one of the people that's kind of just getting your, you're getting your feet under you, you might need to see what other people have done and gain from it. I thank you all so much. I know it's going to be an exciting term. If you need anything, feel free to reach out to me. Take care.